Wait, hold on. Me send Jay go shop like a while. Yo, Jaden!
Yo,
Where am I, yo?
I was getting changed. I was playing on clothes.
Me send you for the bomber class shop 20 minutes ago. Ricky, you see how me I tell you say this bomber class boy worthless. Got the fucking shop in a Jaden. For my box on your bomber class anyway. Guy fucking shop.
That's what I'm saying.
Bomber class.
This needs to suck my dick, bro. I swear I'll suck my fucking dick, bro.
Where? Oh, where this set?
I did.
Where this bomber class? Come here to me, Jaden. Oh, where you just said? Oh, where you just said?
You think?
Pussy!
You think some have ear in your ear?
You think somebody here where you say? You want next man for suck your body? What kind of fish aspiration thing then, my youth? Think you're a big man?
You're a big man. You're a big man.
I said I was going
You're a
to
big
show
man.
him.
You're a big man.
I'm going to show up.
You're a big man.
Fight me since you're a big bomber clap, man, Jaden.
Never said that.
Fight me since you're a big bomber clap, man, Jaden.
Fight your uncle. Fight your uncle.
Cause you're going like this is your mother and your father. Now there, you think say you can't talk to me anyhow. Me a big bomber clap, man, in a Jaden. Don't fuck about with me, you know.
Don't fuck about.
Got the fucking shop. Got the shop.
Wanna shot?